Okay, so yes, let's begin today's session. So my name is Nikita Goenka and I will be conducting today's session. And after my part, Sunita D will be joining, who will be guiding you on how to use Stockage Social. So this is the new Stockage web version that we have not yet released. This is the trial version. We request all of you to use this new version and give your valuable feedbacks. So if you can see on the top right hand side, there is this new tab. So the existing format is this one, which we all are currently using. But to try the new format, just click on this try new, click on the switch to new look tab, and you will be able to access this and you can give your valuable feedbacks. So under this new tab, there is this option of share feedback, Rakesh ji. You can just click on this and give your valuable feedbacks so that we can make the changes and make this app more useful and beneficial for you guys. Okay, so the topics that I would be covering today are uh, the news and updates section, the FII DII activity, IPO, and then we would go to My Stockage, and I would discuss about how you can import your portfolio as well as create your watch list in Stockage. So let's just begin. Yes, Sanjeev ji, we have taken your feedback and I am sure the team will be working on the same. Okay, so the first part is the news and updates. As we all know, news is very important because whatever movement is happening in the market, it is important that we stay updated with the news so that we are aware why the markets are moving in that particular direction. So today, if you realize that the markets had given a very sharp down move, they were trading very weak, and if you had followed the news, you would have been aware that because of weaker economic data in US, the Israel-Iran war might be escalating, and because of the rise in interest rates by the Bank of Japan, these were the global factors which led to a sharp sell-off in our Indian markets as well. So this is why news is very important. Also, if there are movements in the stock, suddenly we see that there has been a sharp up move or a down move in a particular stock, and we get confused why the stock has given this kind of a move. If we follow the news and updates, we will know that maybe because there has been a news related to that stock which has led to that movement. Also, as the ongoing quarter one results are ongoing, whenever the stock declares their results, that also leads to a volatile movement in the stock. So the best part about this feature is that this feature is updated on a real time basis. So even during the market hours, if you notice a particular change in a stock, you can just come over here and check that if there has been a news related to that stock. Also, to identify the stocks which will be in action or which are in action during the day, this is another useful way to use this feature. So for example, if you see today, Ambuja Cements, Vodafone, Indigo, Marico was moving because of the result. Then Motherson Sumi, all these Britannia one was one of the positive trading stocks today. So if you would have visited this feature, you would have known why these stocks are giving this kind of a move. So this for what I do is in the morning before the market begins, I come over here, read the latest news that is related, and I make a list of the stocks, and I know that these stocks will be giving a news based movement for the day. So this is how you can use this feature. Second part is the upcoming part. Again, upcoming part has two parts. First is the corporate actions. So corporate actions, if you understand, are bonus, dividend, rights, splits. So there are a lot of companies in the market which are listed, and every time some or the other company is undergoing a corporate action, and it becomes very difficult for us to track the date of these corporate actions. So we have created this corporate actions calendar for you all, where you can just track the corporate actions date for all your stocks at your fingertips. So if you see today, these were the stocks that were either trading ex dividend, I think, and also trading ex split. So if you look for tomorrow, then we can see that there are a few stocks. This is Gradsum will be trading ex dividend, IPCA, LT Foods. These will be trading ex dividend. And let us see. So tomorrow there are only ex dividend stocks. Similarly, if you see on 7th of August, that is on Wednesday, again 361, Warm, Bharti, Airtel, Bombay Dyeing, Castrol, Eicher Motors, so many major stocks will be trading ex-dividend. So this helps us to keep a track of any corporate action that is happening in a stock. So sometimes we see that the stock is trading very weak, but it is not actually trading weak. It is because there has been an corporate action in that stock because of which the value showing is negative. But actually it is just an adjustment. Also, if you do not wish to see all the corporate actions, you can just select and you can just see the stocks trading of a particular corporate action. So for example, bonus, if you just want to see which stocks have an upcoming bonus, then just click on bonus and you can see like on 8th of August, we have 2 stocks that would be trading X bonus. Similarly, on 9th of August, there will be few stocks, so on and so forth. So this is your in-hand corporate actions calendar. Next is the events. Events, again, like today was a classic example of how global factors affect our Indian markets as well. And that is why it is important that we keep a track of the global events as well. And this is your, in-hand events calendar that is available at your fingertips. You can just find out whatever important events are, upcoming, and keep a track of these events, so that then you can just go and check the data and can analyze or anticipate the kind of impact it may have on our markets the following day. So be it, say, the meeting for Fed, that is the FOMC meet regarding the interest rate, or the RBI policy, or for that matter, if there is a meeting in the Bank of Japan for their interest rate, everything is available over here. So if you can see today, the Japan monetary policy meeting minutes will be releasing, which will give us more clarity about how they are, looking at their economy. So this is this is your events calendar at your fingertips, which is useful to know the upcoming important events that you should keep a watch on. Third tab is the results tab. All right. Under the results tab, there are 2 parts. One is the upcoming part. Under the upcoming part, again, that is your results calendar at your fingertips. It tells you the companies that would be declaring their result on a particular date. So, like I said, there are so many companies, it becomes difficult to remember which company is declaring its result on which date. So, we have created this upcoming result tab for you. And we have also provided a 1-week chart for you to know the very recent movement of the particular stock that is set to declare its result. So today, Bharti Airtel, ONGC, Marico, and so many stocks had declared its results. Similarly, if you wish to look for the stocks that are important and will be in focus based on their results for tomorrow, you can just scroll down. Yeah. So tomorrow, if you see Power Finance Corporation, Vedanta, Tata Power, TVS Motor, so many FNO stocks, apart from that, Solar Industries, PB Fintech, Gujarat Gas, 3M India, Fortis Healthcare. So just see the kind of the list is there. The list is so long and it is difficult to remember. So you can just scroll down over here, just check the stocks that will be in action because of their results. Especially the traders who are trading, it becomes very important for them also to keep a track of the stocks that will be declaring their results, because it is important to manage your trades accordingly. Hence, this is your result calendar at your fingertips. The second part is the released part. Released part gives you a snapshot of the result. So as soon as the result is declared, it is updated over here. A snapshot is provided, and if you can just see that the sales, EBITDA, and the net profit figures are provided over here. And once you click over here, it will take you to the detailed results. So Bharti Hexacom has been recently listed, and that is why the result is shown this way. Let's just see the result of Motherson Sumi. So if you can just click over here, you can see the last 10 results are available, be it quarterly, half yearly, or annually, for you to do a comparative analysis of how the company has been doing. So just to give you a snapshot, this release section has been provided. Okay, so let's just see if there is any question. Okay, Sanjeev ji, your question will be taken up by the customer delight team. Sunita di, if you can just help with Sanjeev ji's question, he's having some issue with the notifications.
Yes, definitely I'll do that. But it's simple that you just need to email us. I'll share the details of support team once we start with the social and when towards the end of the session.
Okay, Vishalji, 2024-03 means that it was the result for March quarter, and 2024-06 means it is the result of the June quarter. That is, this is the latest result. So first quarterly result for this year, and for the March quarter, that was the fourth quarterly result for the previous year. So yes. Bhanuji, you can see the recordings in the social platform. Sunita Di will guide you after my part, and she will help you in how you can access the recordings. Okay, let's move to FII DII. So FII DIIs are major institutions whose participation in the market has an impact on the movement of the market. Also, analyzing their participation helps us to understand how they are looking at the market and how they perceive the market. If you want to understand who the FII DIIs are and want to know more about them, you can just click on this information box and it will take you to this detailed a question and answer format where we have given you on who the FII DIIs are and how you can use this feature. Also, we have created this blog for you. So if you just click on this link, it will take you to this blog and you can help, and it will help you to understand how to use their data in a more detailed manner. However, I'll just help you. So today's data has not yet been updated because it gets updated end of the day. So let's go with Friday's data. So if you see on Friday in the cash market, the FIIs were net sellers. So this red bar, it indicates that they are net sellers in the market. That is, selling has happened. And if the bar is green, that is, they have bought. That is, buying has happened in the market. And this is the net figure. So in the cash market on Friday, FIIs were net sellers. So they had sold by about 3,300 crores, whereas DIIs had almost purchased of an equal amount of about 2,900 crores. So this is the cash market data. Moving to the futures data, which gives us a better understanding of the trend of the market. If you are a derivatives trader, then you will understand what the futures and options mean. So if you see beside the FII index future, we have this plus sign. If you just click on this plus sign, then there are 5 indices that are currently available for trading in futures. And if you see that the data for each of the indices is provided for the FIIs. So if you see on Friday, Nifty, about 900 crores of Nifty futures were sold by them. And similarly, about 400 crores of Nifty Bank futures were sold by them. So on a net basis, if you see, FIIs were net sellers in all the major indices. Similarly, we have the options data as well. So if you see on Friday, on one hand, where they had sold Nifty futures, they had purchased options in huge numbers for Nifty. So if you see, about 33,800 crores of options were purchased. So how I look at the options data is, since we use options majorly as a hedge against the future, so maybe on one hand, where they are shorting futures, they are buying options because either they want to hedge their short position of the futures, and secondly, or maybe they were expecting a large movement and that is why they were purchasing options. The detailed data of DIIs is not available. So yes, Vishalji, the DII data is not available. That is why it is not mentioned over here. And similarly, the FII data for stock futures and options is also available over here, which you can see. However, if you wish to know which stock the FIIs are buying or selling, again, that data is not provided and hence it is not available over here. A more better way to look at this data is, let's just go to click on this tab, Futures OI. So if you just click over here, go to participants, then just see this data we have provided in a more graphical format, pictorial format, for you to just look at the data and understand what is happening. Again, the green color indicates that they are net buyers and the red color indicates that they are net sellers. So over here, this data is showing the data of a particular day. That is on that particular day. So if we just click on index futures, so on Friday, they had sold Nifty futures, but overall, they are still net long on Nifty futures. So this is how you have to see. So if you see from Thursday to Friday, the number has decreased. That is, the number of open contracts have decreased. And we can see that here, they have sold Nifty futures. So again, this is matching that they have reduced their long position on indices, on index futures. So again, this is the data of the FIIs for index futures. And if you see the trend, especially after 4th of June, when the election results were announced, gradually the net short started to decrease and the FIs eventually became long. And in the entire month of July, they were heavily positive on the Indian markets. And the budget was announced on 23rd July. And even after that, they were long on the Indian markets. But however, on Friday, some selling was seen. After today's movement, we have to see the kind of data that is updated over here. If we see a reduction in the position of the FIIs, if this figure has reduced or maybe if this has turned red, then again, this is a matter of caution, which means that even the FIIs are not positive on the Indian markets. But as of now, based on Friday's movement, even though they are reducing their net longs, but what we can assume is that they are, as of now, they are positive on the Indian markets. And them being positive on our markets is an indication and that it will lend support to the bullish momentum of the market. But with the volatile movement that we had today, we have to see today's data to understand this further. Similarly, if you click on DIIs, you can see the DII data. So on one hand, where FIIs are overall net longs, DIIs are net short on the Indian markets. You must be wondering who the clients and the pro are. Clients are basically retail traders like you and me who participate in the market, and pros are basically proprietary firms or brokers who participate in the market on their own behalf. And to understand more, again, I would suggest that you can read this information box and it will help you to understand this more. Pralayji, I think the data will be updated by 7 or 8 in the evening. Kameshji, this is a new version that has not yet been released. This is the trial version that we have, given to our members so that they can use this and give us their valuable feedback. But this is not yet been released. So if you just click over here and it will take you back to the old version. Sanjeev ji, you can join Vivek sir's webinar that is there after my session around, I think, at 7:30. And you can, discuss these queries with him. In fact, he has also released a video today in the morning, which was posted in the club platform as well, where he has discussed about, today's fall as well. Okay, similar to this, you can also look at the options data. So if we go to options OI, click on participants. Again, if you see, we have also provided data separately for call and put. But again, this is for all the indices. Separately for each of the indices is not available. That daily data is available. So if you see on Friday, FIIs had, created longs on calls and they had also purchased puts. So again, how I look at it, since they had purchased both the options, maybe they were expecting a large movement, and today if you see, a large movement was seen. So yeah. Okay, let's move to the next topic, which is the IPO. So under IPO, we have a dedicated section for IPO in Stockage, and under IPO, we have 3 tabs: ongoing, upcoming, and listing. So ongoing IPO tells you the IPOs that are available for subscription. So the most trending and popular IPO, awaited IPO, Ola Electric Mobility IPO is available for subscription until tomorrow. So it had opened on Friday, and it will be closing tomorrow. So if you wish to subscribe to this IPO, then you can just read the details over here. We also have an IPO note. So if you just click over here, it is taking you to the details. So the face value, offer price, everything is available. Also, so far this IPO has been subscribed by 0.35 times. An overview of the company is also being provided by us. And if you wish to read the prospectus to know why the company is coming up with the IPO, that is also there. Plus, we have also given you a snapshot of why the company is coming up with the IPO. We provide all these details because we want you to take an informed decision, do an analysis of your own, and understand that if you should put your money in this company or not. And also that is why we provide this IPO note. So if you click on this, it will take you to this IPO note where we provide you a snapshot of what this company does. And when you click on this report, this is a detailed, analysis of the company, an overview of the company, the sectoral analysis. We also do a peer-to-peer analysis. So if you can see, the competitors are Hero, TVS, and Bajaj. So we also do a comparative analysis why the company is coming up with the IPO, who the promoters are. So all this information is needed when we put a money into a company, because we should know where we are getting into and how this money will be used. That is why we provide you with this information so that you can take an informed decision. Apart from Ola, we have a few SME companies whose IPOs are going on. And we also have another company, but the IPO has closed today. So the IPO note for the same was also provided. Next is the upcoming. Under the upcoming section, you can just check which are the companies that are coming up with the IPO, and the open and close data are also available. So if you see, two companies are there whose IPO will be opening tomorrow. So you can just click on this, go to the prospectus or read the objective over here and understand more about these companies as well. So who the promoters are, who are the facilitators, everything is available for you to be able to take an informed decision. And the third tab is the listed tab. Listed tab tells you how the recently listed IPOs are doing, because it helps you to understand and do an analysis of how the recently listed IPOs are doing with respect to the listing price and their issue price, if the IPO has been successful or not. So the listed date is also provided, and the current price has been provided with the change, so that it helps you to do an analysis of how the IPOs have been doing. Yes, sir, your feedback is noted and we will convey it to the concerned team of adding the GMT. Okay, let's move to the My Stockage to help you, use Stockage in a more useful way. So under My Stockage, let's go to My Portfolio. If we click on My Portfolio, so you can, Stockage allows you to import your portfolio. So just click on My Portfolio, click on this plus sign and just give a name. So hypothetically, say I'm just giving a name to this portfolio. Click on Add and it will give you an option to import your portfolio. Now, if you have your account, say with Zerodha, Angel One or Upstock, then you can directly import your portfolio from there. However, if you have an account with any other broker apart from these three, then you will have to use the other options to import your portfolio. So if you have an account with Zerodha, Angel One or Upstock, just click on the same and follow the steps and you will be able to upload your, import your portfolio. However, if you're having trouble, you can just contact our customer delight team and they'll be happy to help you. So yes, this was the portfolio that I had created. Next option is the CSV upload. So CSV upload allows you to upload your portfolio in the form of an Excel sheet. So just click over here, click on this download format, and it will tell you the format in which you need to, create the Excel sheet. And then you can just upload that Excel sheet from your computer. And the third option is the manual entry, which we would be discussing right now. So let's say, suppose I have a stock SBIN in my portfolio, State Bank of India. I will just type the name of the stock and say, for example, I'm holding 250 quantity and my purchase price was 800. So you just need to add the quantity and the rate and the value is automatically calculated. And since I want to add more stocks, I will click on this add another stock, then click on save. If I do not click on this and directly click on save, this box will close and you will again have to open it. So that is why I decided to check this box. Next, suppose I have Tata Motors and say I'm holding 150 shares and suppose my purchase price is 900. This is just a hypothetical example that I'm giving. Next, suppose I have Ultratech Cement and say suppose I'm holding 70 shares and suppose my purchase price is 11,500. Now I don't want to add more stock. I will just uncheck this, click on save. And if you see, my portfolio has been created. Now let's just click this and know how we can use it to analyze. So these are the top gainers and losers from my portfolio. If you are holding mutual funds and if you wish to import them, you can also import mutual funds over here. So just go to mutual funds, click on add, and you can either upload an Excel sheet or manually import your mutual funds as well. Under stocks, it is showing you the stocks that you're holding in your portfolio. If you wish to delete a stock, just click on this red button, click on OK, and the stock will get deleted. Say, suppose I wanted to delete State Bank, I have deleted this. And suppose if you have made any changes to your existing holding, say either you have purchased more quantity or you have sold partial quantity, just click on this button. If you have purchased more quantity, click on add the quantity and the price and click on save. Or say if you have sold a particular quantity, then click on less, add the quantity, click on save. So this is how you can manage. If you have purchased a new stock, just click on add, again click on manual entry, and then again say, suppose I have purchased Vedanta. And say I have purchased 300 shares and say I purchased it today at 413. So I will just click on save and you can see that Vedanta has been added. Okay, moving to Edge Insights. So Edge Insights tell you any insight related to the stocks that are there in your portfolio. So on the home page, there is an option of Edge Insights where you get to see the insights of all the stocks. But just to know any kind of an information related to your portfolio stock, it is advisable that you import your portfolio over here, and all the tabs that you see outside are also available over here. So Edge Insights over here will tell you the insights related to your portfolio stocks. So if you see Tata Motors, the insight is that there is a demerger or merger happening. So you can just click on it and it will take you to that particular information. So if you see the news is there that they have approved a scheme of demerger. Similarly, for Vedanta, the relative strength is decreasing. Even for Tata Motors, the relative strength is decreasing. So these are the insights for the portfolio stocks that I have added. Sector allocation tells me how diversified my portfolio is. So it helps you to, make your portfolio better and also analyze regarding the diversity of your portfolio. Similarly, deliveries tell you the kind of deliveries that is happening in your stock. To do technical analysis of your portfolio stocks, that is also possible. Just click on technicals and say you want to see how far your stock is from its all-time high level. Just click on all-time high and just see that the current market price of Tata Motors is 1016 and all-time high is 1179. So it helps you to do an analysis. Similarly, if you click on exponential moving average, it tells you the stocks that are trading above or below its moving averages. So all kinds of technical analysis can be done from the technicals tab. If you go to chart patterns, it tells you any recent chart pattern that is formed in your portfolio stock. So recently, no such chart pattern has been formed. But if we click on past, we can see that on 3rd of June, an ascending triangle, was formed in Ultratech Cement and a breakout was given after that. Deliveries data pertains to shares or derivatives. So this is the cash deliveries. That is the deliveries that is having in the that is happening in the cash market. Okay, scans to know the stocks, the scans where your portfolio stocks are appearing. Just click on scans, select all scans, and you can just see. If we click over here, it will show you the names of the scans where your portfolio stock is being identified. Similarly, like for news, if you do not wish to, track all the news, you can just import your portfolio. Click on news and any news related to your portfolio stocks can be tracked from here. So if you see on 2nd of August, Tata Motors and Vedanta both had a particular news related. So if I just want to track the news and say even for corporate actions, if I don't want to see the corporate actions of all the stocks, I can just come over here and see the corporate actions of my portfolio stock. So if you can see on 2nd of August, there was the ex date of Vedanta where it had given an dividend of ₹4. Similarly, the result date is also provided over here. So on 6th of August, if you can see, Vedanta will be declaring its results. So to know the result date of my portfolio stocks, again, I can come over here and I can check. So I would suggest all of you to please import your portfolio if you haven't done it and then try using Stockage. I'm sure you will love the app even more and it will be even more beneficial to you. Similar to portfolio is your watch list. You can also create your own watch list over here. So just click on my watch list. Click on create watch list. Again, just give a name. So hypothetically, I'm giving a name. So this is the watch list that I have created. Click on add stocks and some say, so for example, I want to add KPIT Technologies. I will just click on this star button and it will get added. Then suppose I want to add GMR Infra to my watch list. So I will just type the name of the symbol, click on the star button, and you can see the stocks have been added to my watch list. If I click on this cross button, I can remove the stock and I want to add another stock. I can just click on add stock and follow the same process. The other tabs are all same. You can just explore it and it is all same to the portfolio tab. Another thing I would like to show is you can create multiple watch list over here. I think you can create a 50 watch list. And if you wish to delete any particular watch list, just click on this red button and you can delete the same. If you want to make any changes, just click on this pen button and you can just make this particular watch list as your default watch list. So yes, if there is any question, then you may please ask. Bilalji, we are not discussing chart pattern in today's session. Sunita Di will post the session calendar and you can join again on the chart pattern day. Okay, you want me to repeat chart pattern? So, sir, if you for your portfolio stock, if there is a particular chart pattern that has formed, so say this was the stock. So just scroll, go to chart patterns, and any recent chart pattern will be shown for your portfolio stock. And you can also click on past and you can see the previous chart patterns that were formed in your particular stock. So say for example, on 3rd of June, Ultratech Cement had formed an ascending triangle. So if you click on it, it will take you to that particular chart pattern as well. No, Anilji, you cannot enter the price. You can just enter the quantity that you have sold. Okay, sir, first Ramji has a question regarding scans. So sir, similarly, if you just click on scans, click on all scans, it will show you the scans where your portfolio stock has been identified. So if you see Tata Motors is coming under these many scans, if I just click on it, it will take you to the names where you can just see the name of the scans where the stock has been identified. So for 2nd of August, Tata Motors had high delivery for that particular week. It was also highly traded in that particular week, opening at high, closing below previous low. So these are the different kinds of technical scans where this stock was identified. If you click on fundamentals, it will show you the various kinds of fundamental scans where these stock has been identified. So to add an indicator in the chart, just click on chart, click on indicators, just click on add, and you can just find the indicator that you wish to add and you can add the same. Okay, so thank you everyone. That's all from my side. Sunita Di, you can take over.
Sure, Nikita. Right. So allow me to share my screen and thank you so much for this valuable session. I can see the feedbacks. They are quite funny to be honest. कि वंदे भारत की speed में था, but the session was nice.
No, because we have a consolidated very short time and there are so many things to discuss. So
Yes, and most probably and most importantly, we conduct this session every Monday. तो निकिता
yeah,
मैम आपको every Monday मिलेंगी. You come back अगर आपको कुछ भी question हो, you can ask her. She'll be glad to help.
yes, definitely.
So thank you, Nikita, for being here and sharing your valuable inputs on Stockist Social. It was a great experience. I'm really thankful to you. So I'll just take over from here.
Yes.
You can stop sharing your screen.
All
I'll
right.
start doing that. So this is Sunita from the Customer Delight team and I'll be taking up all your questions जो भी आपने chat में डाले थे regarding recording कहाँ मिलेगी और session chart का session कब होगा etc. So to begin, before I begin, I would just like to take a quick confirmation कि मेरी आवाज आ रही है ठीक से and you can see my screen well, which I am currently at stockish.com. Can somebody or a few people from the 96 people confirm? ठीक है, great. Thank you so much. So also one more confirmation I need from you people that any barrier with language, अगर मैं हिंदी में और हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश में मिक्स बोलूँ, so are you comfortable or is just that it has to be English only? Okay, I can see yes. Okay. So okay, mix. Okay. So I'll be using, I guess, डेफिनेटली राम जी, नंबर्स तो मुझे भी कुछ एक्सटेंड तक इंग्लिश हिंदी में आते नहीं है. सो आई ओके, हिंदी मिक्स. सो आई गेस सिर्फ हिंदी में लेना, टेकिंग द एंटायर सेशन ओनली इन हिंदी विल बी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज वी हैव ऑल आवर पार्टिसिपेंट्स हियर हु माइट नॉट बी क्वाइट फेमिलियर विथ हिंदी. तो मैं हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश मिक्स करके बात करूंगी, बट प्लीज बी रेस्ट एश्योर्ड कि जो भी मैं हिंदी में बोल रही हूँ that will be also spoken in English. ठीक है, so you will not miss out on anything, but I'll try and keep the session a mix of both Hindi and English. Okay, so let's begin. So I'll be taking up the social platform basically, and before I do that, I'm just posting two links here. ठीक है, तो अगर आप देखोगे in the chat box, I have posted two links, right? So those two links are about smart session recording and post market session recording. ठीक है, तो smart sessions कौन से हैं हमारे? Those which are conducted like this session. Today we are doing this session, then again we'll have it tomorrow. तो उसकी जितने भी recording है, you will be able to see it in the playlist of Stockist Smart Session. ठीक है, and for these Friday session जो होते हैं विवेक सर एंड मार्केट एक्सपर्ट्स के साथ, that is a post market analysis session. Those list also you can simply bookmark the YouTube channel list playlist, जिसमें आप खाली क्लिक करो on coming next day, जो भी next day हो, you click on that link and you will be able to see the recording. So we try and upload the recording by on the same day itself. Like अगर हमारा सेशन 7:30 बजे खत्म होता है तो by 10 PM, latest by 10 PM आज आप देख पाओगे recording in the mentioned link. So I'm posting the link once again. I will request everyone to please save these links for any recording you need. ठीक है, however I'll be explaining also कि अगर आपको social में देखना है how you can see the recording if you are a club member or even if you are a pro or premium member. So I'm on the Stockage website, stockage.com. We'll be majorly discussing today about the social platform और आप उसको best use कैसे कर सकते हो. So I am being on the stockist.com website. I can directly go to the social platform by this 9 dots. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अगर मैं क्लिक कर रही हूँ, I have the option to go to the web app जो निकिता मैम यूज कर रहे थे. I can simply click on that and it will take me to the web app of Stockist. ठीक है, अगर मुझे सोशल में जाना है तो मैं यहाँ वेब ऐप से भी I can directly go to the social app. See the second one which you see is Stockist Social. ठीक है, तो Stockist Social, yes, I have been logged out. Let me just log in right away. So this is the social platform which you can see. Okay, so this is how it looks. Before going to that platform, I'll be again sharing something here. जो आप एक बार please, some issue with the website seems. Kindly give me a minute, huh? Kindly give me a minute. Right. So before I proceed with the social समझाने का process, I'll just show you the schedule for the smart sessions. So I'm on the Stockage website. If I scroll a little downwards, I will be able to see Stockage live sessions. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे अगर आपको दिख रहा है Monday is the session for track smart money and understand market with Stockage which we have today. Tomorrow we'll have on investment. Wednesday will be for scans. थर्सडे को हम सेक्टर रोटेशन समझेंगे, फ्राइडे विल बी पोस्ट मार्केट एंड सैटरडे विल बी चार्ट पैटर्न. सो यू कैन गो टू दी वेबसाइट ऑफ stockage.com एंड सी दी अपकमिंग सेशंस जो भी हो रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो व्यू डिटेल्स पर अगर मैं क्लिक करूं, यू विल बी एबल टू सी ऑल the entire schedule. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट सेशन क्या हो रहा है एंड हाउ यू, however book your seat पे अगर आप क्लिक करोगे, you will get the link and the link is same, the same link from which you have joined today, it will be the same. You can use the same link to join every day till Saturday. Okay, even on Friday you can use the same link to join the post market analysis as well. Also, we have a session in offline session in Mumbai. अगर आप में से कोई भी मुंबई में है तो आई कैन टेल देम टू जॉइन अस, विवेक सर एंड विनय सर, ऑन 10th of August. आई जस्ट शो यू, आप उसको बुकिंग कैसे कर सकते हो उसकी आप, ये है जॉइन आवर्स फ्री सिटी मीटअप्स. ठीक है, सो दिस इज अवेलेबल टू ऑल. ठीक है, अगर इवन इफ यू आर अ प्रीमियम मेंबर और अ प्रो मेंबर और अ क्लब मेंबर, यू कैन सिंपली गो अहेड एंड बुक दिस सेशन. ये हमारा एक ऑफलाइन सेशन हो रहा है मुंबई में ऑन 10th of August. सो आई विल बी we'll be very glad if you are from Mumbai or somewhere near Mumbai and would like to meet Vinay sir and Vivek sir, co-founders of Stockage. You can join us using this specific page. यहाँ पे book your seat पे click कीजिएगा. You will get all the further details on your registered email. Okay. Now starting with now directly going to the social platform. So this is how the social platform looks. ये social platform हमारा ऐसा लगता है, दिखता है. It's this platform is accessible to everyone. Everyone means everyone. अगर आपने premium plan लिया है, if you have taken pro or if you have taken club, the only difference between a club member and the premium and pro member regarding the accessibility of this platform is कि आपको जो यहाँ पे left side में the clubs which you see, right? The clubs which you see here are access for club member. All these clubs will be open. आप इनको यूज कर पाओगे. यू विल बी एबल टू टेक ऑल द इनपुट्स हियर. आप अपने क्वेश्चंस भी पूछ पाओगे. यू विल बी एबल टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस एज वेल. बट इफ यू आर अ प्रीमियम और अ प्रो सब्सक्राइबर, आपको सिर्फ ये एक्सेस मिलेगा. P2P लर्निंग इज द ओनली क्लब विच यू विल बी एबल टू एक्सेस if you are a premium or a pro user. Okay, so यहाँ पे P2P learning is ideally a club wherein all the peer members, like the anybody who is on the social platform can interact with each other. आपको अपनी कुछ शेयर करनी है, नॉलेज शेयर करनी है, if you or you have made some observations in the market, तो आप वो लाइव यहाँ पे शेयर कर सकते हो. As you can see, मिस्टर विजय के ने रिसेंटली कुछ शेयर किया है, his thoughts on the social platform. वो आके यहाँ पे उन्होंने डिटेल्स में अपना एनालिसिस दिया है, राइट? सो दीज आर जस्ट इंटरैक्शंस. they are not being posted here by any of the analysts or the experts. So it's just peer-to-peer learning. All the social members are interacting with each other using this P2P learning section. But if you are a club member, definitely you will have access to more, not just the P2P learning. So I'll help you out here today कि आप ये जो बाकी सारे clubs हैं, the ones which you see on the left hand side, stock ideas and doubt solving and institutional reports, how can you make the best use of it? Okay. So I'll not take up the questions. Chat में अभी check नहीं करूँगी. I'll just go through the clubs first, then I'll take up the questions. ठीक है. So I'll be explaining the clubs in 3 sections. Stock ideas, and then doubt solving, and then webinars and courses. So once let me show you key investing ideas. What is this investing ideas and trading ideas? So investing ideas and trading ideas, as you can see the name suggests here, stock ideas. तो अगर आपको investment related, if you want some recommendations by experts, okay, you can come to the investing ideas. यहाँ पे long term related recommendations are being given by green tick experts. So in Stockage, we have 2 kind of experts. One is the green tick and the blue tick. ठीक है, तो green tick जो है Mr. Anik Mitra, as you can see, he is not directly associated with Stockage. However, he is has been onboarded to Stockage Social and is either SEBI registered or RA qualified. He has given some examination of NISM to be certified by SEBI to give his recommendations. So the green tick experts are genuine people who have been onboarded on social platform. उनको हमने social platform में onboard किया है and they are giving their investing related ideas here. Okay. Similarly goes for the trading ideas. तो ट्रेडिंग आइडियाज में भी यहाँ पे ट्रेडिंग रिकमेंडेशंस आती है फॉर स्विंग एंड पोजिशनल एंड एफएनओ एज वेल। तो यहाँ पे आपको सारे दिख जाएंगे, जैसे रिसेंटली यू कैन सी फोरम छेदा मैम हैज गिवन सम अपडेट ऑन हर recommendations given. Okay, so trading ideas and investing ideas is accessible to only club members, and they can come here and see the recommendations given by the green tick experts. I repeat, green tick experts are those, they are not directly associated with Stockage, but they have been onboarded to the social platform, Stockage social page. हमने उन्हें invite किया है and they are giving their recommendations and calls here. You can see all of it here. So say for example, this is a closed group. And definitely अगर मैम ने कुछ question डाला है, you might have some questions with respect to this. What you can do is, you cannot directly make a post here, but definitely what you can do alternatively is, अगर आप थोड़ा scroll करो नीचे यहाँ पे, you will have the option to comment on the post. So if you have any question जो उन्होंने यहाँ पे post डाला है regarding that, if you have any question, you can simply click on the comment box and post your question. जैसे यहाँ पे I can see. Okay, so this is what you can see. यहाँ पे अगर आप comment डालना चाहते हो, if you would like to give some feedback also, this you can put it in the comment section as well. Trading ideas maybe it's a closed club, which means यहाँ पे you cannot come and make a query by yourself. You have to, sorry, investing ideas maybe similarly, you cannot come and make a post here. But definitely, if you have a question with respect to the recommendations given here, you can put it in the comment section, right? Let me see, there are two chats. I have booked, unable to copy link. I have booked, I'm assuming राजेश सर आप मुंबई सेशन वाले सेशन के बारे में बोल रहे हो. And I have booked, unable to copy link. So you are not able to copy these link. Okay. So मैं towards the end of the session I'll be sharing the support number. आप हमें एक बार बस hello लिख के भेज देना. We'll share these link in case if you're not able to copy it from here. So this was regarding the stock ideas. Now coming to the doubt solving. तो doubt solving as the name suggests again कि अगर आपको कुछ भी doubt हो, आपके कुछ भी portfolio में अगर कोई stock है और उसका आपको कुछ doubt हो and you would like experts to comment on that or give their view, this would be the best platform where you can come. Fundamental club would be for fundamental query, technical for technical, FNO for future and options related queries, currency and commodity club for currency and commodity, and mutual fund for any mutual fund related query, right? So fundamental club, let me enter into this and show you. So this is an open club, which means that अगर आपको यहाँ पे कुछ question पूछना है, you can put a question here. Click on start a discussion and there is a specified format. Specified format means कि आपको fundamental club में आना है. First thing is that. Second is you need to tag the stock perfectly. But for tagging the stock, what you need to do is click on shift $sign. You need to put a $sign first and choose the name of the stock. Okay. Say for example, right? So Infosys के बारे में मुझे अगर कुछ view लेना है, just for example, if I would like to take some view, fundamental view on Infosys for long-term investment, what I will do, I'll come to the fundamental club. I'll click on start a discussion. Once the panel opens, I'll type $sign without any space, type the name of the stock. Okay. This is the format. So once you do that and select it from the drop down, आपको वो stock दिखेगा in blue, which means this has been highlighted. Whenever you come to the fundamental club में जब भी आप आओ तो format ये ही होना चाहिए. Ideally the format should be this only. अगर आप space दे दोगे तो ये highlight नहीं होगा stock. तो what happens generally if you don't tag the stock perfectly, the query might get missed by the fundamental analysts. So now view please. Whatever your question, you can go ahead and post it. And यहाँ पे आप post पे click कर दो. Your post will be done. But next comes कि आपने यहाँ पे एक question डाल तो दिया है. You have made a question. You have made a post here. As you can see, Mr. Shyam Sundar Desari has done Gujarat Intertex Future Outlook. So this is his question. He has posted it 17 minutes back. So as we can see in the page here, कि whatever question you post in the fundamental group, the replies are made after within a maximum of 48 hours. ठीक है, तो स्टॉक का नाम आपको टैग करना है एंड पर पोस्ट पे द स्टॉक हैज टू बी 1 पर पोस्ट पर स्टॉक। द टाइम टर्न अराउंड टाइम वुड बी 48 आवर्स, विच मीन्स कि अगर आपने एक पोस्ट डाला है दिन में, आप मैक्सिमम 2 to 3 पोस्ट डाल सकते हैं इन फंडामेंटल, एंड द रिप्लाई टू पर स्टॉक विल बी 24 to 48 आवर्स मैक्सिमम। आपको यहीं पे इसी में कमेंट सेक्शन में यू विल गेट द रिस्पॉन्स। ठीक है, तो लेट मी शो यू कुछ अगर रिस्पॉन्सेज आए हुए हैं रिसेंट में। तो ये सब आज के ही है, सो आई हैव टू स्क्रॉल लिटिल मोर डाउनवर्ड्स। हाँ, सो before long term, so this is the response you get once you are posting it in the fundamental club, because as I said ना 24 to 48 working hours में आपको यहाँ पे response मिलेगा। So you can come back after 24 to 48 hours and check the response here. Okay, fundamental club का turnaround time is this only. Let me see chart में क्या है। हाँ, so fundamental club का turnaround time is this. Now coming to the technical club. Technical club is also an open club where you can ask your stock queries based on technical. अगर आपको कुछ भी technical query पूछनी है आपके स्टॉक को लेके, if you have any stock in your portfolio or in your wish list, you can come here and make a post here, and our team will be replying within maximum 5 minutes time when market is open. तो अगर 3:30 सुबह 9:15 से 3:30 बजे के बीच में अगर आपने यहाँ पे कोई भी क्वेश्चन डाला है, the response time is 5 minutes maximum. So आपको यहाँ पे लाइव मार्केट में सपोर्ट मिलता है with respect to technicals. Okay, the limit to posting queries in this club is 4 to 5 a day. सो एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे इसका रिप्लाई नहीं आया है। सुमित सर ने डाला था सिंस मार्केट इज ओपन, सो द रिप्लाई विल बी अ लिटिल डिलेड बट नॉट एग्जैक्टली 5 मिनट्स में। बट अगर आपने लाइव मार्केट में, मैं अगर स्क्रॉल करके चेक करूं इफ देयर इज एनी पोस्ट, यस एज यू कैन सी ये वाला हर्ष मेहता सर ने डाला था बर्जर पेंट्स का। सो ही वांटेड अ टेक्निकल व्यू एंड दिस इज द रिप्लाई गिवन बाय मिस्टर अमर अली मिर्जा, राइट? And as you can see उनके नाम के आगे is a blue tick. So as I was talking about ticks, two colored ticks on Stockage. One is green tick express जो trading ideas and investing ideas में post करते हैं, and the other is blue tick. Blue tick is somebody who is directly associated with Stockage, right? And they are answering all your questions, technical में, fundamental में, whatever answers you see ना, everybody will be having a blue tick right beside their name, which means they are the stockage analyst and they are also research analyst qualified. ठीक है, उन्होंने आरए का एग्जामिनेशन दिया and they are qualified by SEBI to give their views. So that I was talking about, यहाँ पे 5 minutes है for fund future and option related club, future and option related query अगर आपको कुछ पूछना है। So Nikita ma'am is somebody who answers in the fundamental club, sorry not fundamental, future and option club, जो जिन्होंने first half of the session लिया था, निकिता गोयनका ma'am. So here what happens, the turnaround time is majorly 20 minutes when the market is open. If after the market is closed, the time, the response time may get a little extended. Okay. Posting queries in any of the doubt solving club is similar, right? You have to tag the stock using $sign and then put your question and post it in the respective club. Currency and commodity similarly. So if you are into currency and commodity, अगर आप करते हो currency and commodity trade में, then you can follow this club. Instead I would suggest कि अगर आप इसमें से कुछ भी है, if you are not into future and option also, you can exit the club. यहाँ पे simple एक option है आपके पास, leave club, which means कि इस club में जो भी post किया जाएगा, whatever will be posted in this club, you will not be notified, right? So it's entirely up to you. You can join a club or leave a club as per your trading and investing style. Okay. Mutual fund, currency, commodity में the turnaround time is also at least 24 to 48 hours. यहाँ पे रिप्लाई आता है एंड करेंसी एंड कमोडिटी में था एंड म्यूचुअल फंड में भी ऑल्सो 48 आवर इज द टर्न अराउंड टाइम। अगर आपको किसी म्यूचुअल फंड के बारे में थोड़ा डिटेल में जानना है, यू वुड लाइक टू टेक सम एक्सपर्ट व्यू, you can come here and our blue tick analyst will be happy to help you with their view on the specific club. Okay, sorry, specific mutual fund. Now coming on the third thing, I don't see any questions in the chat box, so I'll just move forward and explain the institutional reports. So institutions, four institutional reports here, as you can see, by Kotak, Swastika, Neo, and Ashika. All of them are here to give their research reports. अगर आपको एक ही जगह में कोटक का कुछ व्यूज चाहिए, स्वास्तिका का चाहिए, या न्यू ट्रेडर या आशिका का चाहिए, this will be the club where you can come and directly get their research reports. Like, so this is an open club also. अगर आपको कुछ data लेना, if you want to take, if you want to ask a question also to Kotak Securities, you can come here and start a discussion, and they will try and reply within a maximum of 1 day's time. Right. So as I was talking about the institutional reports, Kotak, Swastika, NeoTrader, Ashika, they also come here and post their views and researches, which you can get at a single platform on social. यहाँ पे आप क्वेश्चन भी पूछ सकते हो for whatever post they have made. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment box. They will be replying back. Like, there is no turnaround time for these institutional reports, but definitely they try and reply at the earliest. Okay. So these are the clubs which we see on the left hand side. If you have any questions, do let me know regarding this till now, which whatever I have tried and explained you. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat box. In the meantime, you type your questions. I'll just put the support, how you can reach the customer delight team. I'll just post that in the chat box. You can save those number. ठीक है, भंडारी जी, आपने क्वेश्चन लिखा है, सिर्फ हिंदी लिखा है, तो सर बताइए कुछ स्पेसिफिक चीज है जो आपको समझ नहीं आई एंड यू वुड लाइक मी टू, मैं आपको समझाऊं वो हिंदी में, आप मुझे बताइए. तो यहाँ पे एक मैं क्वेश्चन देख पा रही हूँ, हाउ टू एनालाइज सेक्टर, राइट. तो अगेन आई विल रिक्वेस्ट यू कि सर आप ये जो यहाँ पे स्केड्यूल दिया हुआ है ऑन स्टॉकेज, हाउ यू सी दैट स्केड्यूल एंड अटेंड द सेशन ऑन द स्पेसिफाइड डेट. उस दिन आप आओ, अटेंड करो, योर क्वेश्चन विल बी आंसर्ड बाय द स्पेसिफाइड एनालिस्ट. SME IPO any edge report. SME का IPO का रिपोर्ट we are not yet giving any, sir. अभी है नहीं सर. I'll take this as a feedback. So Vishal Kumar sir, I am a basic member. I am a basic member. Can I? सर आपने कुछ स्पेस नहीं डाला है, so I am not able to understand exactly. Can I? ओनली करेंसी कमोडिटी. सर इफ यू आर अ बेसिक मेंबर, लाइक अगर आपने प्रीमियम या प्रो लिया है ना, यू विल ओनली हैव एक्सेस टू द P2P लर्निंग. आपको बाकी सारे क्लब्स का एक्सेस नहीं रहेगा. यू कैन नॉट पोस्ट इन द करेंसी कमोडिटी क्लब या टेक्निकल क्लब या फंडामेंटल क्लब. P2P लर्निंग आप अपना व्यूज शेयर कर सकते हो. यू कैन चेक व्हाट अदर यूजर्स ऑन स्टॉक सोशल आर डिस्कसिंग. आप वहां पे शेयरिंग कर सकते हो एंड पॉलिश योर नॉलेज. Rest all the clubs are close to you. You can go ahead and upgrade if you wish to see all the other clubs. Okay, Pralay sir का एक question. I wanted to know whether IRCTC is in correction mode or in C curve in FNO. I posted on Friday but no reply. I'll just take this up. Give me a minute, sir. मैं देखती हूँ social. So let me search Pralay. प्रलय सर, आपने जो क्वेश्चन माना है, सर देखिए, दिस इज द रीजन यू हैव नॉट बीन रिप्लाइड, क्योंकि आपने ये डाला है अपनी प्रोफाइल पे, लाइक यू आर ऑन योर होम पेज एंड यू हैव पोस्टेड दिस हियर, एंड टैग भी आपने करेक्टली नहीं किया है। सो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट कि आप FNO क्लब में जाके यू पोस्ट योर क्वेरी देयर करेक्टली है फॉर्म करके, क्योंकि आपने ये आपने होम पेज पे डाला है ना, ये टैग हुआ है। सो आवर एनालिस्ट आर नॉट इन्फॉर्म्ड कि आपने कुछ क्वेश्चन पोस्ट किया था, हेंस इट इज नॉट रिप्लाइड येट। मैम प्रशांत सर का एक क्वेश्चन है, मैम कैन वी डायरेक्टली गेट एक्सेस टू व्हाट हैज बीन आंसर्ड बाय द एक्सपर्ट इन एनी पर्टिकुलर क्लब ऑन द क्वेरी रेज्ड बाय अस, और डू वी हैव टू स्क्रॉल थ्रू ऑल द वे? सर अगर आपका कुछ क्वेश्चन, इफ यू हैव पोस्टेड अ क्वेश्चन, यू विल बी गेटिंग द नोटिफिकेशन एंड द सेम विल आल्सो बी डिस्प्लेड ऑन योर प्रोफाइल। आपके होम पेज पे भी दिखेगा इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग द स्पेसिफिक एक्सपर्ट। okay, if you have joined a specific club and you are following that expert, जैसे से फॉर एग्जांपल मैं अगर यहाँ पे ट्रेडिंग आइडियाज में मिस्टर अंकित जायसवाल को फॉलो करती हूँ, ही इज द ग्रीन टिक एक्सपर्ट, ठीक है, अंकित जायसवाल, इफ आई फॉलो हिम, लेट्स से आई एम फॉलोइंग हिम, तो ये इफ आई क्लिक ऑन दिस नोटिफाई, तो वट एवर पोस्ट ही मेक्स यू विल बी नोटिफाइड हियर, एंड होम पे भी आपको अपनी प्रोफाइल पे भी यू विल बी एबल टू सी वट एवर ही इज पोस्टिंग और गिविंग एन अपडेट ऑन एनी ऑफ हिज प्रीवियस पोस्ट। So to get any post on your wall, what you can do is simply start following that person and click on the notify tab. I'll just show you again how it is done. Go to the person's profile. ठीक है, यहाँ पे I am already following. यहाँ पे notify है. So if you click on the bell, it will show as a tick, which means कि आप यहाँ पे notify होंगे whenever he is making a post. और वो आपको directly आपके प्रोफाइल पे दिखेगा on the home page. Okay? So thank you. Okay, second query and also a suggestion, if I may, can we get info about the beta of a stock in stockage or club? Sir, query नहीं समझ आई मुझे, वो info about the beta, not sure about what does that mean. So no, quite informative, you made it. Thank you. The rate of change of price of a stock. I think that is available in stockage, sir. अगर कोई भी मैं टाइप करती हूँ नाम, say for example this one only, price change. ओके सर, आई टेक दिस अप एंड आप हमें प्लीज शेयर योर नंबर, ठीक है ना, प्लीज शेयर योर, प्रशांत सर अपना या तो कुछ ईमेल आईडी हमारे साथ एक बार DM में शेयर कर दीजिए, डायरेक्ट मैसेज में आप शेयर कर दीजिए प्लीज। आई विल टेक दिस अप विद माय टीममेट एंड आई विल अरेंज अ कॉल बैक। आपके जितने भी क्वेश्चंस है शी विल ट्राई एंड आंसर ऑल ऑफ देम। Okay, it is definitely, I think it is available, but currently I'm not able to locate where is it available, but she'll definitely know, Shweta, and she'll guide you, sir. आप हमें बस एक अपना just send your email ID, we'll reach out to you, sir, tomorrow morning. So there is another 5-10 minutes time wherein I'll be going through the webinars and courses thing. ठीक है, तो so webinar and courses अगर हमें book करने हैं, if you are a club member, right? If you're a club member and you taken the club subscription of a year, you will have access to unlimited webinars and almost 27 to 30 courses, basic courses basically, so आप उसको आप access कर पाओगे for free, right? So the process on how to book webinars and courses as a part of your Stockist subscription, only the non-exclusive ones, is that you need to go to the Stockist platform. अगर आपने club yearly plan लिया है, you will have access to all the webinars, the non-exclusive ones, and if you have taken the club monthly plan, be it अगर आपने monthly plan ही लिया है, तो you will be able to access one webinar only, no courses in that case. So how do you book that webinars and courses? ठीक है, so I was going through the chat, मैंने ये question देखा भी था कि webinars and courses का notification I get, but I am not able to attend them or book them for free. It's asking me for a payment. So how does that work is, आपको यहाँ stockist.com पे आना पड़ेगा first thing first, यहाँ पे आके click on your profile, go to the dashboard section, and as you can see on the left hand side, there's a webinars and courses tab. Right? So these webinars and courses are conducted at our लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म ई लर्न मार्केट्स। तो जितने भी कोर्सेज आप यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हो, द नंबर ऑफ कोर्सेज इज 29 या 30 के आसपास ये कोर्सेज है यहाँ पे। So these courses are conducted are being recorded at the platform eLearn Markets. तो आप अगर यहाँ पे बुक कर रहे हो कोई भी, if you would like to see any of these courses, after booking your seat here, you will be able to view those recording only on the e-learning platform which we have, eLearn Markets. ठीक है? I'll show you how this works also. Before that, let me show you webinars कैसे काम करते हैं। तो जितने भी हमारे upcoming या अपकमिंग वेबिनार है या जो हो चुके हैं इन द पास्ट, एज यू कैन सी हियर, देयर वाज दिस वेबिनार, सैटरडे को हुआ था ये, this was on 20th July, 6th July. So these webinars are done in the past and you can still book them and view these recordings. The access to the recordings will stay for lifetime. Upcoming मतलब हम अगर कुछ webinars plan कर रहे हैं in future which are listed here. Currently we can see only one webinar by Shivaji sir. So you can book upcoming webinars also and see the pre-recorded webinars also. And how this works is आपको stockage.com पे आना है, click on your profile dashboard, the page will open up, click on the webinars and यहाँ पे जितने भी webinars है you can avail them for free. Now I'll show you, I'll just click on book now. However you can see a price here, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे प्राइस भी दिख रहा है, आपको डिटेल समझनी है इसके बारे में तो वो भी आपको मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे. The language is, as you can see, English. It was 2 hour session. If I would like to revisit this webinar, say I would like to see this webinar again, since I couldn't attend it live, what I'll do is click on book now. Once I click on book now, it will ask me for a confirmation. Once I confirm, यहाँ पे मुझे दिखाएगा ज्वाइन वेबिनार व्यू रिकॉर्डिंग. लेट्स वेट. तो अब मुझे यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है व्यू रिकॉर्डिंग, राइट. सो इफ आई क्लिक ऑन व्यू रिकॉर्डिंग, जस्ट ऑब्जर्व इट इज टेकिंग मी टू दी अदर प्लेटफॉर्म एज सेड e-learn markets. ठीक है. सो आई कैन लॉग इन विद द सेम ईमेल आईडी as I have on Stockage and I will be getting the login to I'll be logged into e-learn markets and from here my account, my webinars. तो जितने भी webinars ये upcoming webinar है, I'll scroll downwards and see the one recently. ठीक है. तो मैं अगर watch now पे click करूँ, the webinar will start playing. एंड इफ एनी कंटेंट हैज बीन शेयर्ड, वो भी आपको यहीं पे मिल जाएगा e-learn markets पे. लेट मी गो बैकवर्ड्स अगेन, आई शो यू. अगर इन्होंने कुछ पीपीटी या फिर एक्सेल शीट शेयर की है, you will get the option. So in this webinar there was nothing shared, but in this webinar of Mukta ma'am there was a PDF attached. So I can click on this और उन्होंने जो भी शेयर किया था, I will be able to access that as well. Yeah. So my point of explaining you ki how webinars and courses can be booked is the reason that it will definitely take you to the third platform, that is e-learn markets, to view the webinars and courses. Okay. Similarly goes for courses. यहाँ पे 29 courses approximately available है. So these are all basics वाले courses in Hindi and English. You can book any of these and start your basic journey of understanding finance. जो भी course है आप यहाँ पे go through कर सकते हो. 3 to 4 hours का content है, but very basic. But it will definitely help you in understanding or revising your existing knowledge of market. Yes. Let me see. Yes, there is a question. Just give me a second. मैम कोर्स 1000 मेंशन किए गए हैं, बट शो सिर्फ 15-20 कोर्स ही करते हैं. ये सर 1000 तो सर एक्चुअली में द रीजन इज कि हमने 1000 मेंशन किया है बिकॉज वी कीप ऑन एडिंग अ फ्यू कोर्सेज एवरी ईयर और मे बी क्वार्टर ईयर में. सो द नंबर इज actually mentioned as 1000, but there are only 29 courses to be precise here. एंड वेबिनार्स, लीना मैम का एक क्वेश्चन है, इज ऑल रिकॉर्डेड वेबिनार्स फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट फॉर? यस मैम, दिस वेबिनार्स विच आई हैव शोन यू यहाँ पेज में stockage.com पे, व्हेन यू कम टू stockage.com एंड चेक फॉर द वेबिनार्स टैब, चेक फॉर द वेबिनार्स टैब ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, जितने भी वेबिनार्स आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं, be it upcoming or recorded, you can book all of them for free. But yahi, if you go to eLearn Markets and try to book the webinars, they will ask you to make a payment because you have not booked them as a part of your club subscription. This has brought me to the end of the session though. अगर आपका कुछ questions है आप पूछ सकते हो. I'll be glad to help. Nikita, when Nikita was showing you her screen and sharing a few information about the stockist thing, तो वहां पे there was a question regarding some notification error. अगर I think I missed that question. Notification issue अगर आपको कुछ आ रहा है ना, and if it's something bothering you a lot, so आप मैं request करूंगी, can you please email us at support@stockage.com with a recording जो आपका concern हो रहा है. support@stockage.com, club@stockage.com, both these email are actively being replied to, so you can mail your concerns also. Give me a second, there is some error issue, there is some issue with my cursor of I'm not able to see the questions. I don't see any questions left. Is there something which I missed out? Chat खत्म हो गई है मेरी तो. Seems we are done with today's session then. No question. वेबिनार फ्री है रिकॉर्डिंग वाला. ये सर वेबिनार अगर आप क्लब मेंबर हो आपको ये प्रोसेस फॉलो करना है stockage.com पे आके, and you can book webinars and courses. अच्छा, one thing I missed here, I'll just show you. This cursor is giving me a lot of trouble. रिकॉर्डिंग का इफ यू वांट टू सी ऑन द सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म कि अगर आपके जो कोर्स रिकॉर्डिंग्स है, जो सेशंस हो रहे हैं हमारे, उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग अगर आपको देखनी है, इफ यू आर अ क्लब मेंबर, व्हाट यू कैन सिंपली डू इज टाइप #recordings. ओके, तो जितने भी सेशंस हुए उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगी. इफ यू आर अ क्लब मेंबर, दैट इज द प्रोसेस. इफ यू आर नॉट अ क्लब मेंबर, द प्रोसेस इज #recordings and click on add to search, which means advanced search कर रहे हो आप, and type customer delight. Okay, customer delight, add to search, and then click on search. So this will give you the access to the recordings of all the sessions which you are eligible to watch. Okay, so this is an ask the expert session. It is basically फॉर ऑल आर क्लब मेंबर्स. तो अगर आप एक क्लब मेंबर नहीं हो तो आपको ये वाली रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं दिखेगी, बट डेफिनेटली यू विल बी एबल टू सी दिस सैटरडे का सेशन जो चार्ट पैटर्न्स पे हुआ था, उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगी. सो वी आर अबाउट टू स्टार्ट द सेशन इन द next 10 minutes, so I don't have much time now. However, I think I have tried in answering all the questions which were there in the chat. And also shared our customer delight team's number. I'll just dictate it right away. You can save them in your phone book. 9830994402 is the number for the stockist support, and 6289906895. This is the number for stockage club support, right? And support@stockage.com, club@stockage.com. These two email IDs are actively being replied. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach us on the mentioned email ID and numbers. We are available from Monday to Sunday, 9:15 to 8 p.m. So thank you everyone for being being here till the end, and I hope the session was valuable and you could definitely take away few. I tried giving my best to give you some knowledge regarding the session, and do attend the session for at least a week to get a good knowledge of stock till Saturday using the same link. आप ये same link use करके you can come again tomorrow at 6 p.m. There will be another trainer who will be guiding you through the investment process. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. And I'm now ending the webinar. Thank you.